Hey guys, the infamous Tenere 700 Directionals are super floppy right out of the factory. They're kind of junk because they break really quickly and start dangling, and you find them just hanging here off the wire. So this is a 2021 Tenere 700. I've put it through the ringer a little bit and dropped it a couple dozen times. But these things will break just from bouncing. So here's a quick fix for you, which I'm kind of in the camp of just leave it until you break it off and destroy it. And then you can buy a tail tidy kit or whatever. But you can see I just took some plastic I had laying around. It was actually speaker panel plastic. And I made a little support that bridged here. And I put in a spacer here, if you can see, just to bridge that because of the hump it's created. And a little bit of rubber for traction. I know it seems a little cobby, but and then a couple zip ties each side, as you can see. Anyway, it did solve the snapping off or dropping off and hanging by the wire situation, and you really can't even see it. A couple of zip ties. So if you're looking for a quick fix, just bridge it with some plastic. Hope that helps you guys. Simple, inexpensive fix, free from Home Fix. And again, I usually just wait until something breaks totally, and then I replace it with some sort of tail tidy or what have you. But hope that helps. Take care. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. Take care.